right, so today I'm going to be talking about the Lyon hypothesis and X-inactivation. So the Lyon hypothesis was created by Mary Lyon after discovering a trend of pigmentation in female lab mice. The hypothesis describes that inactivation of an X chromosome happens at random in somatic cells during development. Once this chromosome is inactivated, all progeny cells have the same inactivated chromosome, and this is also known as a Barr body. All right, so here we have a Barr body with two X chromosomes. And so in the somatic cell, we can see that there will be one inactive X and one active. All right, so as I said earlier, this phenomenon was discovered through pigmentation of lab mice. And another popular example of this is in cats, specifically tortoiseshell cats. They can only be female. You can have black, yellow, orange cats of either sex, but tortoiseshell coloration is exclusive to females. And so this would be expressed as X big B, X little b. All right, so let's say that we breed a yellow short-haired female with a black long-haired male who is heterozygous for hair length. Right, so that would be an X little b, little h, and an X big BY, big H, little h. All right, so here we can see in the Punnett squares that when we cross for the pigmentation, we have half of this being tortoiseshell females, or half of it being X big B, little b, and half of it being X little BY. And then for long hair, we have half of it being heterozygous for long hair and half of it being half of it being recessive for short hair. And so here we can see that all of the females in this prodigy would be tortoiseshell, and half of those females would be long hair and half of them would be short, and then all of the males would be yellow and half of that would be long and half of that would be short hair. All right, so no two alike. Something interesting about this phenomenon is that despite all of those females having the same genotype, their pigmentation isn't all going to be the same. This is known as a mosaic trait. Basically, it means that when you have the orange blotches, the black pigmentation is what's inactive, and then vice versa for the other color. But this is like, it's at random. So you won't have the exact same expression of it each time.